Made of selected leather adorned with massive plates and fitted with reliable hardware, the fashion dog collar will easily sustain everyday use. Thanks to quality materials it is made of, the item doesn't stretch, fray, break or tear. It is comfy for your pet and incredibly strong. The collar looks very stylish. It is adorned with massive vintage plates that are made of brass. Each plate is secured with 2 rivets to hold forever. The rich golden shine of brass plates and hardware will draw everyone's attention, making your dog the star of your neighborhood. The accessory is equipped with white D-ring intended for easy attachment of tag and leash. The hardware is rust-proof and resistant to bending. The collar is made to serve your dog for many years.